How to see old Google Maps Street View. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily see old Google Maps Street View. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is select the location that you want to see the street view of. So for example, if I just zoom in right here on this location, to look at the street view, you're going to have to enable it first. For example, I'm just going to drag this little guy on the bottom right corner and drop it on the location right here. So it will enable the street view and it will drop me right here on this location particularly. Now, to see the recent date of your street view, you can find it on the top left of your screen. Right here, it's from November 23. So if you want to see more dates, so just click on see more dates and you can actually go back in time. The very first one is on October 2008. So you can see around this neighborhood. As you can see, you can see all of the differences over time here. Just click on these and then as you can see, nothing much has changed in this location particularly, but if you're trying to see some drastic changes, it could be on some other locations that you're trying to see. So this is how you can see you can go back on time on Google Street View. In some location, this feature is not available, but you could mostly find this on particularly popular streets or location. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.